Okay, how to use subject pronouns in a sentence. So in English, in this example, I have them all listed out first. Okay, so the subject pronoun is in red. So in a sentence, you'd have I, you, he, she, you, we, you all, and they at the beginning of the sentences. So in Italian, like we know, you don't have to put them at the beginning, but in this case, I've put them at the beginning just to keep it simple. And I've also put them in parentheses in parentheses so that you know that you don't necessarily need it, unless, of course, you want it for emphasis or clarity, as we discussed earlier. So in this case, the verb I use to be. So in Italian, the verb is essere, to be. So io sono is I am, io sono. Tu sei, lui è, lei è, lei è. Okay, again, these are the same, but one means she and one means you, formal. Noi siamo, voi siete, and loro sono. Okay, so these are your basic, this is a very basic sentence, but it is a complete sentence. So if you want to say I am, io sono, and that can be your first sentence in Italian. Okay, let's move on to the next module, which will be verbs.